Hi, today we are going to see how to use Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app. Here your Instagram account will be open. Instagram is a free social media platform for sharing photos and videos. In the upper right, you can see a messaging option. You can create chats, rooms and accept message requests from here. Also, in the your story option, you can click on this and add your story after allowing access. Also, you can right swipe, then you can add story, add post or go to live. In the bottom, you can see a home button, a search button, a plus button, a love button that shows your activity, and your account button. Here you can edit your profile or view archive. Also, you can see your post, reels and photos and videos of you. In the plus option, you can create story highlight, live, post from here. Next to it, you can go to setting, archive your activity, QR code, saved, close friend, discover people, COVID-19 information center. So that's how to use Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.